We've been analyzing the old masters and are now able to present them in a new way. Here is the Mona Lisa. Pretty good, huh? This is her from the side. It gets better. The depth effects increase if we look at them on 3D LED TV. So the Vitruvian man turns out to be men. Interesting. Surratt's bathers. Tranquility. No awesomeness. The Reverend Walker skating. Not much going on here, you might think. Wrong! Sheesh! Game over, Reverend! Vermeer's the girl with the pearl earring. How much cooler is that now? Manet's barmaid at the Folie Bergère. Okay, yeah, she's a barmaid. No way! Now she's a milkmaid! Wagada wagada! This technology is incredible! Whistler's mother. Why so glum? I don't know. That's why! Stare out! Look at that! Not a glimmer! Like stone! 'Cause she's a freakish hag! Oh boy. Fun times. 3D is so great! Bye-bye.